Okay, now, as you look at this map, what is this map showing you? Well, I want you to get prepared to deal with significantly dangerous weather. What we see inside this cloud is right where the greens and the reds come together. Okay, that indicates to us that there is rotation at this point. It's a bright red, it's a bright green. What it measures is the radar beams going out and away from the center of our Doppler radar. And of course, when you got one going one way, one going the other, there you have a possible rotation. So right here is 29. Okay, this is 130, Joshua Falls, the Lynchburg area, 29. Okay, if you are in this region and also back through here, this is not etched in stone as to where this is going to be, but you can see this progressing across at about 30 miles an hour. So if you are in northern portions of Lynchburg, you need to be safe right now. You need to get into the middle portion of your house, away from windows. You need to be squared away with your plan in place to deal with the situations at hand, as we are watching these signatures by Doppler radar indicate that there is a possible tornado that may drop out of the cloud. We do not have confirmation of a tornado on the ground, but if you are in the region, there is an opportunity for debris to fly around. There is also an opportunity for some heavy rain to associate with this. There's also gusty winds, of course, with this as well. So we are continuing to keep an eye on it. Now, this is 1:30, I believe, and again, we're watching all this action where the greens and reds kind of collide, especially right in through here. Probably not a real good spot. So again, when you're inside the when you're looking inside the cloud, this could be an area where we're seeing problems. So again, what we need to do is continue to monitor what is going on with. If you are in the path of this storm, it doesn't have to have a tornado to be extremely dangerous. This could produce some significantly gusty winds out ahead of this, so the opportunity for damage is great. What this all means is that this is a storm, a big storm with the potential to produce a lot of damage with wind gusts in and around 50, 60 miles an hour. And you see up in Amherst, that's a lot of rain going through there. Winds are out ahead of this thing at about, say, 40, 50 miles an hour. So again, as we put this in motion, Taylor, what do you got? You're all mic'd up now? And hey, this area here, a little bit further back, take cover now. It's really important that you do that. You need to get in the middle portion of the house, have your plan in place. If you don't have a basement, get into the middle of the house. If you have a basement, get down into the basement. This is pretty bad, I would assume, if these indications, the brightness of these two are there. Now, again, we don't have anything that has been indicated by spotters.